ScribblePrompt is an interactive segmentation framework for medical imaging. Users interact with the model by providing scribbles, clicks, and bounding boxes, or a combination of all three. For example, I can do a quick scribble to segment this organ in this abdominal CT, or I can use a single click. I can also use a bounding box to segment the same organ as well. This is an MRI from the ACDC dataset. We can use ScribblePrompt to segment the right ventricle or the left ventricle. Both of these labels were seen in other cardiac MRI datasets during training. But we can also use ScribblePrompt to segment other regions that might be of interest to clinicians or researchers in the same image, even if these regions don't correspond to labels that were seen during training. ScribblePrompt is designed to generalize to new images, modalities, and regions of interest. Here, I show some examples segmenting other regions in the same image. Here's an example from the HipXRay dataset where I'm segmenting the femur. This segmentation task and type of X-ray wasn't seen during training. Scribbles are quite helpful to get a rough initial prediction and also to make corrections. This is an OCT image from Drive. Retinal vein segmentation is a really challenging task that a lot of previous methods do poorly on because it involves segmenting very thin, fine structures. ScribblePrompt is able to segment retinal veins quite well. Here I'm using just positive clicks. For objects with well-defined boundaries, like organs and bones in this CT from TotalSegmentator, we can often get accurate predictions with just a few interactions. One of ScribblePrompt's strengths is its ability to revise its predictions in response to corrections. For example, in this ultrasound from one of our validation datasets, I can get an initial rough segmentation with a bounding box, and then I can use a scribble to refine it. Here's another example where correction scribbles are really useful. I'm segmenting the cerebellum gray matter in a brain MRI from COBRE, one of our test datasets. Lastly, on this brain MRI from COBRE, we can see that ScribblePrompt provides very detailed control over the segmentation. This makes it ideal for expert annotators who want to segment new labels, new images, and new modalities. In summary, ScribblePrompt enables you to get a segmentation of new images or regions with very few interactions in just a few seconds.